Unravelling the KYC dilemma, pursuing identity harmony in Web3 communities. Our identity, a tapestry woven with personal details, is the cornerstone of access to societal resources such as banking, voting, and property rights. Ideally, this identity, entirely ours, should be under our complete control, free from the need for central intermediaries for validation or storage. This idea hasn't fully manifested yet, but we are unequivocally edging toward it. Web3 regulatory puzzle, KYC's role and impact of emerging regulations. The advent of Web3, the decentralized web, has promoted intricate regulatory challenges globally. Enabled by blockchain technology, Web3 offers users superior control over personal data and supports direct interactions. However, this decentralization raises issues concerning investor protection, privacy, disclosure, and jurisdiction. Initially, regulatory attention centered on cryptocurrencies, leading to significant action from regulatory institutions like the US SEC and the CFTC. They focused on regulating cryptocurrencies and ICOs to mitigate fraud and establish protective frameworks for investors. Today, as Web3 evolves, regulatory complexities grow. A critical balance is sought between curtailing illegal activities, ensuring consumer protection, and nurturing innovation. For instance, while blockchain security benefits users, it could inadvertently aid illegal activities by obscuring transaction trails. Furthermore, the decentralized nature of Web3 triggers jurisdictional dilemmas. As control and law enforcement become ambiguous on a decentralized internet, discussions around Web3 becoming a self-governing jurisdiction has emerged. Within this changing landscape, Know Your Customer (KYC) protocols have become vital. KYC involves collection and validation of personal information to ensure regulatory compliance and deter illegal activities. In the boundaryless Web3 industry, KYC helps platforms meet international regulations, thereby preserving the ecosystem's integrity. Additionally, KYC mitigates threats such as cyber attacks and fraud in the Web3 landscape. By enforcing identity verification, KYC safeguards against identity theft and ensures only authenticated users can access specific services, crucial in contexts like DeFi. In summary, KYC protocols in Web3 are indispensable, enabling regulatory compliance, deterring threats, and managing access control. KYC adoption helps build a secure and trustworthy Web3 ecosystem. Looking ahead, ongoing legal debates and new regulations will shape Web3's regulatory future. Recent regulations from Hong Kong and Beijing's Web3 white paper indicated a significant shift in the regional regulatory landscape. Hong Kong's regulation, with more stringent standards for Web3 platforms, may necessitate stronger KYC procedures. Beijing's white paper, acknowledging Web3 as an unavoidable trajectory for future internet development, suggests policy support and technological acceleration to stimulate the Web3 industry. The concurrent implementation of Hong Kong's regulations and Beijing's white paper suggests a coordinated effort to regulate and promote the Web3 industry. These developments will significantly impact the Web3 landscape, demanding stricter compliance from platforms and promoting industry growth. The future of Web3 regulation hinges on these resolutions, potentially constraining or fostering Web3's progress.